Are you facing any issue or challenge to download GST Emsigner into your system? So this video is for you.
Hi everyone, this is Lalit Singh from LM Professionals Private Limited. Hope you all are doing great. I welcome you all on our YouTube channel called LM Professionals. Today in this video we are presenting how you can install GST Emsigner into your computer so you can sign your returns and other documents through digital signature on the GST portal. Before we start, I request you to please join and subscribe this YouTube channel. So here we go to the main topic of this video, which is how to install GST Emsigner.
We have to start from the website, which is www.gst.gov.in. On this website, we have to go to the menu called Help and Taxpayer Facilities. Inside this menu, we have to go to the link called System Requirements. On this link, we have to go to option number 3, which is downloading and installing the WebSocket installer. So here you will see another link which is called DSC registration. So from this page, we will see different Emsigner socket software for different operational system, for Windows, for Linux and for Mac. So we will go for Windows. It will take some time to download. So once the download is complete, we will click on this and start installing. Just apply next and install. So here we have successfully installed the GST Emsigner. So now we will do a small verification that is it installed or not. So for the same, we will go to control panel. We will go to programs and features, and here we go. We have our GST Emsigner installed in our system. So now we are able to run this software into our system.
Now we will run GST Emsigner into our system.
We will go to start menu. We will look for GST Emsigner. Here it is. So now we will click on run as administrator. Yes. This is working, and now you can see GST signer service started successfully. And now here from the tray you can click on right click, open. Here we go. This is a GST signer service started successfully. So now we can start our work and we can file our returns and other things in the GST portal very successfully. So guys, last but not the least, thank you very much for watching this video. If you need to buy digital signature, you can contact us by calling on our official number, or you can drop an email also on our official email address. Our number and email both are reflecting on the screen and also available in description. Thank you again for your timing.